Okay, I'm working on my 2004 Honda CR-V. I need to change one of the bulbs on the rear panel here, and this is a complete panel from top to bottom. The bulb that I need to change is right here. So this bulb is going to be just a single bulb, but you'll have to remove that whole column. This panel is a little bit different from the one on the other side just due to the hinges on this side. So here, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to have to take this one out. Up here, you just need to pop that little panel out, and there's a little Phillips head screw under there. And then down here, we should only have to take this one loose because it only pops the top two on the console. If you look here, these two here are the ones here, and at the top here, those are the only two you have to remove. So I usually change both bulbs together. That way they should last a similar lifespan. Only one is out, but I'm going to change both. The bottom screw, you're going to need to be able to have a medium-sized screwdriver, one about this long, because you have to actually go in through the side of the door, and you have to fit the screwdriver into here like this, between the spare wheel and the door. That way you'll be able to get in there, reach it without having to take the spare wheel off, and any of the small ones are too small to get between the door and the hinge. The other alternative is if you have some of those angled screwdrivers, those would probably work also. Okay, once the two screws are out, all you have to do is grab on this and pull it, but you really need both hands to pull this off. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down, and then I'll pull it off, and then I'll show you from there. Okay, as you can see, the whole thing pulls out, and here's all your lights, or any of your lights that you need to change. The one I need to change is the second one right here from the top. This second one is just a twist off, as all of these are. You just twist them out, pull the bulb out, and twist the new one back in, and then you're done. Put everything back together. If you can tell or not, but this bulb is a little dark compared to the new one. So this one is the one that hasn't gone out, but I'm going to change it anyway. See, a nice clear bulb here compared to this dark bulb. It's ready to go out at any moment. The bulbs just pull out, then they just snap back in. You get them in here, it's keyed, so it will only go in one way, and once it's in there, you can just twist it, snap it back in place. And that's all there is to it. You take the light, you see the pins up here, these are what hold it in place. And down here, you just pop those in and screw them back in there tight by the screws, and you're all done. I don't know if you can see that the lights are on. What we got is, this light is, I think is considered, the one we changed is considered a daytime running light. And actually the one on this side was the one that was out. So that light was out, changed it. And as you saw, the bulb in the one that I changed for the video, it was kind of black and not clear as the other one. So definitely a good time to change them. I always try to change my bulbs in pairs, and that way their life should be equal, so they'll only go out around the same time, and that way you'll save yourself having to do the same thing twice. Just do them all at the same time and you're done.